Yes. Yo, people, my name is DJ Pakorich, and you know how we do it. Or your rap, or your vibes, or your bass, or your bass. So welcome to my freestyle section. This is something extraordinary. I'm bringing to the fans out there, the rap lovers. Now, boys, now when you do rap one, this is something special for you. Now, today in the studios, I have one fine rapper. Charlie, he did form rough. So today we are here to do some typical rap. On your rap and Chencheni, we are here to rap to the glory of God. So today, if you are ready, let's invite the man Omar. Yo, bro. That's right. I say now, me matter vibe, you know, baby abafebia Omar, baby abafebia Bena, baby abafebia Omar. Charlie, what Omar Bena do way the extraordinary? Catch him.
Me no or describing you by me.
Yeah, man.
Definitely, if something be Bena, or Benny BB.
Fire.
Yo, fire. I know me Bena mics. Yeah.
That's right. That's right. So, for how long have you been in this rap game, on this music game?
Officially, 3 years.
3 years.
Officially, yeah, 3 years.
3 years. So that's great. That's great. So far, stage has been as well. Half one.
I'm 2021. I'm not here. MTN Pulse winner.
I say, Cheddar party on our star boy in the building. So, people, today we're going to do a lot of rap on rap. He's going to show us what he can do, and I'm going to give him the platform. All that I need from you is to share, comment, and give him thumbs up. Man, I hype and won't feel it there. No, you be good. If you be good, make you know say be good. Mori and Ocean feel make we know. But definitely, I know that it's all about positive vibe and all the brain. So, man, I believe you are ready for the fans today, the freestyle section of Obokodo. All right, so very soon he will be on the stage to serve you with some hot rap. But for now, what I need you to do is that go to YouTube, subscribe to the page Range Media. Yes, DJ Pakorich, you can search that one as well. Then follow this rap journey. And if you're interested and you feel you're a good rapper and a dope rapper, holla me, link up, text me, follow me on my social media handles, both Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, and rap and infrastructure. So today, on this episode, we are hosting our man, Omar Bena. Get ready.
Yeah. Yo. Snub them. Yeah. Yo. Yanko, message, share, Teo, share. My one pen and paper, nothing better than go right. Every day we're balling, that be yours, so claim it tight. Budget pad, MK, make we test might. Oh, rap and the bass to that ball, you be too light. Big dog, me a bodoman kabu dog. My back, my boys, me sound so scared. G-soft, son of God, I look like G-sauce. Dripping if you used to her bro, you be G-sauce. And of course, I the rap, don't get off course. On your guap, sema, call off, wow, of course. From me John Wick, I dey search my lost dog. Try cross me, I read, I don't fake a shot. Level near A1, me hammer centaur, me Odin about me peton from Asgard. I go buy cough, mommy a python, me spit, yo, till. How the hell you tryna compare these rappers to Brenner? On Yazi Biampa with their kaki no be leather. I'm in the entertaining doctor sick in the rapper sounds funny, like telling me a Jacobi Avenger. I put in effort, so effort to say Biba, you keep you low, save simple to me see leader. Allow Agbad, Yaminti o baby that well they made a Brenner, a beja to man, baby that. Oliver Poe is beating on so my ask for more. A lion king, a fake a small, fool yourself to play a draw. Just mark a killers down, this a sinner, watch a team roll, chamber boy, but always seem for rap, bro. Take your horse, take it. Abrabot today could be on the phone. Nothing travels faster than music, so I say my own. Through the mic, spread the word. When tail so then a bone. Leon Shasta, I come to search for veins. Call me Mr. Bones. Labo with your head, not your heart. That's a warning. Actually be frog man. Oh, so I just told him. There, no fabone check. Also Sean the motion. I didn't do metal. He see me no other bologna. Shahid the can in them striker. It's a fool. I'm always in for your killer in head. I will take him do rag. I don't move for free. Send a guap. I move back. Raise your fingers. This is a sign of peace. You can the least black. Always me or me. Your PRB. I no defeat. I do this thing with less effort. If you are show the best in me, make a minute to them or Chinatown. Share me chenchili. Me produce and your baby bolasso. Or friend Kindi. It's not them. Brenner. Ebe bass. More town. Yo, say, the father down, remember pill, best strap up, know the gosh. I catch you for your tea. Today, you go trust. A bean, but supernatural. When I'm on, while I'm surprised, but you are go nail on the cross, bro. Watch your museum, while the boy you are your hardest. Before the rainbow, I was speaking with my colors. Or bomba for moton or chocolate, other hunters. All I say so what, Kiki, a claim of white. Most of these rappers trying to imitate. I ring these bars to when I bake. My school moment I say, my gonna so I cake. What 10 where's beer and I'm shout to word play. Even before Chelsea na mama check blues, I show am the naked truth. One share on your mood. You paint a picture for West and artist with a book. I dream a way raw. This be Isaac Newton in the blue. I came with this. All I really came with this. And you want to part. Then I really came with this. And this song, made this so bro. You go for the this. This will be slim in guys. Punching a book first. I could go back and venture me. Boom them in the phone to see how it's there. Zongo mafia. I did charm and bogo. Me jamming. Make a me. I made that in your soul. I feel so brother by end the fear atom. You will chrome. The real is these rappers are just my meaning. Them guys will me beat. I just ask a meaning. Menyela Russo. But before Mike down killing. Well, I guess the intro. Well, I guess they just beginning. Yo, Muntabala rap up in the moon for being some asset when the moon for being Fabiana feeling burner. I came I saw I conquer rap and make when you're Latifa dog. Your killer self, a killer, your killer, a killer. Snub them. Joe, young go no more. EJ Pakorich, yeah man. Burner. No. Why do you listen for that? Okay. It be hard. You don't feel like it? It be hard. Yeah.
So this